Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are absolutely welcome. I am Debbie Oli. Thank you so much for tuning in. This channel is all about lifestyle, beauty, vlogs, food, all lots of interesting video happening on this beautiful channel. Thank you so much. Please do well to subscribe, turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my thumbnails. Like my thumbnails, it is very easy, simple to do, and also it doesn't take time at all. And the good thing there is that I'm just using 3 apps to make these thumbnails. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to be using Pinterest, Canva, and an online background remover. Okay, my thumbnails are very easy to make. If you see from my thumbnails, some of them I get them from my videos, some of them I take pictures for it, and some of them I remove the background, get another background, place it on it, and that's it. It's very simple. I'm just going to brief you guys on how I make these thumbnails. And then the first thing first is depending on what I want. If I'm going to take a background, I love to use Pinterest to get a very beautiful background, because Pinterest for me has just very unique and very beautiful backgrounds. So when you get on Pinterest, you can just Google beautiful backgrounds, any color background you want. You can also search for it there, and then you see lots and lots of backgrounds. Pick any one of your choice and make use of it. And also for the Canva, I have said something here on my YouTube channel that Canva is an app that that already has a template already. When you get to app, you are going to see so many templates I'm going to be showing you guys. So you get to thumbnail, there's a template for thumbnails. I make use of that I make use of the templates for thumbnails to make my thumbnails. So it is very easy, it's already sized. You don't need to start resizing your pictures and all that. When you want to take your picture, you take a picture this way instead of this way, so that way it fits in properly without no stress. And then for my background online remover, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do all of that. I'm going to be showing you guys how I compile all of this together to make my thumbnail. So let's start. So the first thing first is to go to my gallery and pick the picture that I'll be using for this thumbnail. And I just took this picture after making this video. So I don't like the background of this picture, so I'm definitely going to change the background. So the background, online background I'm using is remove.bg, as you can see. So when you get there, you just see the link of upload picture. Then you upload the picture that you want to remove the background. Sometimes it's going to take time, while sometimes it's just going to be very fast. So today is fast. So as you can see, automatically it has removed the background of that picture, and that will save the picture to my gallery. And the next thing that I'm going to do is to go to the Pinterest. I love this app so much. So like I said, you can type in anything just to get the background, any background you want. So today I'm typing in rose pink background. That is the color that I want to use. I feel like it's in today, so I'm definitely seeing a lot of backgrounds here. So I will search for the ones that suit me at this moment. As you all can see, so I finally seen the one that I think I like so much, so I'm saving it to my gallery, and then that's it. So the next thing now is to move to my Canva. Then the very first thing, you guys, I told you guys about this Canva. Canva has a very good template, a lot of things on Canva. You can use it for a lot of things. As you can see, there are so many templates, Instagram, YouTube, everything. But I'm going for YouTube thumbnails. So this is the YouTube thumbnails. When you load it, click on the YouTube thumbnails, you are going to see a lot of templates. So I'm just going to pick one of this, and this is the lucky one I'm picking. So because I don't need anything on this background, I want to start from the scratch. I am deleting every single thing on that template, so it's going to just be plain. And then the first thing is to pick the background I want, and I place it back into the background, as in the background I want. Then the next thing is to add pictures, and then take that picture that I already removed the background and then place it on the background. as you can see. So everything is coming in good place, like everything is working together now. It's very easy, guys. Very easy. The next thing that I'm going to do is to open the gallery. I already screenshotted this from my YouTube channel, so I'm just going to be putting it on the background as well to show the thumbnails that I've done previously. That's how I want this thumbnail to look. And then the next thing is to add text. It is very easy, guys. So I am writing how to make thumbnails, and obviously I don't like it, so I'm going to make it bolder, but I decided to change the font of this how to make thumbnails, so I decided to go for this Adumo regular. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it well. So I'm just going to take it and adjust it. You guys, you can adjust it, can place it anyhow you want it, anything you want. It is very flexible to use. So I'll go ahead and change the color. I just want pink today. I'm in pink mood. So that's the next thing I'm going to be doing. And after that, you guys, my thumbnail is ready. I hope this wasn't really so complicating. If you have any questions, please make sure to ask me on my comment section so that I explain better. So basically, it is not hard. It's very easy, quick, and save time. There's no too much complication, no too much yeah, it might not be as professional as you want it, but it is very easy to make up until you get to that level at which you can use Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and all of that, then, or apps for thumbnails, then you can, advance. But for now, this is just very basic and it's very easy to make. It doesn't even need to stress you that much, and it's a very basic app for you to use for your thumbnails that I'm showing you. I hope you learned one or two from this video, and please make sure to leave a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Tell a friend to also subscribe, because I need you all. Thank you so much. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.